Gasly, so this is a good weekend, and it has been all weekend so far. Also, Gasly doing the closing stage. Gasly holding 6th place in the championship.
Last one, Hamilton being caught, but not by nearly so much, by about 0.6 of a second, Hamilton to Bottas. But Verstappen is faster than either of them, and he catches Hamilton by 0.9 of a second and Bottas by 0.3 of a second.
Well, there is the parking spot ready and waiting, and it's certainly on the cards. Start of this race.
Interesting, Bottas after that massive initial burst seems to have eased off a fraction now. It's 5.7 seconds. Certainly he's in
certainly helped his cause. And this is the first time we've had a real look at Hamilton on these tyres and how he's dealing with them. He looks comfortable at the moment. Very wide.
Very wide. Hulkenberg getting through up into 12th place.
Kvyat being watched by a couple of cosmonauts today.
I hope they've got their binoculars, because they could be a long way away.
They're here. When he went to Nazareth the other week, it was a surprise meeting, and he was immediately asked about it. So they said,
on lap 40 at the moment. Both coming to the pits from 12th and 13th place for their second pit stops. Hamilton to Bottas, 5.7 seconds. 40 laps completed. 16 to go for Lewis Hamilton. And the gap is 4.7. It came down by Hamilton to Bottas. Verstappen in 3rd place, who is 6.3 seconds behind Valtteri Bottas, but not catching Bottas. But Bottas is the man who's flying.
yeah, Bottas is definitely should, if he keeps this pace up. I don't know how much longer this time.
Lewis Hamilton already worried about how much longer these tyres are going to last. Monitoring it. There's the wear rate on the tyres, but it doesn't look as though it's all that bad actually. 60% on the rears, 70% on the fronts.
Yeah, but it's the performance he's getting from them. But yeah, it's a classic Hamilton worry, isn't it? That he doesn't really they know
into and out of the pits in 2.7 seconds. Position sadly, but there's the strong potential of other drivers around him also needing a second stop. Interesting that everyone said, both Pirelli and FOM predicted this will be a one-stop race. Otherwise,
may not get to the end. We have an option for another stop. Try back in the second.
and that these hards may not go all the way to the end. There's 11 seconds for Verstappen. So he would come out third place. He'd still be world champion though.
And still be on the podium. And I think really that's kind of the wish for someone like Hamilton. Starting from fifth, he didn't have the best qualifying, admitted it was his problem, and Bottas has got the best strategy and has just driven brilliantly today. So he thought about it for a while, and Lewis Hamilton says he's going to keep going. I think he's realised that he's got a chance of the podium. And obviously that gives him a chance to celebrate with you. Won in 18. So either way you look at it, coming from fifth to a podium would still be a superb result. Hamilton, as we always know, wants to win the lap. He wants to stay out of the Ferrari. Paul Leclerc, Vettel already out. The big major fall-up earlier on in this race. Charles Leclerc in fourth place when he came in. So Leclerc's just done his pit stop, his final start, and Hamilton coming on